Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please do consider to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. So, in today's video, I will make a grilled cheese sandwich for my husband. It's very easy and simple. First thing that we need to do is we need to get a pan. This one. Okay, we will heat this for like 3 seconds. There you go. Hi everyone, the second thing that we need to do is we need to put a butter on the bread, on top of the bread. Spread the butter. Spread the butter and get the other one too and put the butter in it like that. Simple and easy. Alright. Uy, hala. It's falling like that. And the next thing that we need to do is to put the bread in the pan. No, both sides. But the first one is we need to put no, it's on the side here, like that. And the next thing we have to do is to put the cheese and the bread like that. And more because it's only a little bit. The next thing we have to do is more cheese. Next thing we have to do is put the other one. You need to be facing the other side that we put a butter up. Okay, like that. The next thing we have to do is we will check, see if it's melted. Yeah, not yet. So wait until it's melted. Still more butter, but I need to make more butter in it. Okay, let's check, see if it's not yet. We will wait for 10 seconds. And now guys, we have to flip our grilled cheese sandwich. Flip it. There you go. And then we have to flip it again later. Okay, when we think that it's cooked the other side. And then we have to wait for 1 minute. Guys, we'll just wait for 1 minute to be cooked. Okay guys, let's check it, see if it's done. Let's flip it again. Wow, there you go. I think it's done. Now it's time for us to put in a plate. There you go, guys. My grilled cheese sandwich is done. This is it. This is for my honey's lunch today. It's only a little bit. He is not a big eater person. He ate only a little bit because he stays at home. He's already retired, so yeah, this is his lunch today. And of course, I will make his breakfast soon. And guys, I'm done my grilled cheese sandwich. All done. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching my cooking. And if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Bye everyone. See you in my next video.